People get stuck on two-step equations, not because they're super hard, but because they don't know what to do first. So today I'm going to give you a simple system with 3 easy patterns that always works. Let's start with the pattern 1, no parentheses. If you see something like 3x plus 7 equals 22, there are no parentheses. So we start by undoing the addition or subtraction. Watch, subtract 7 from both sides, right? 3x equals 15. Then divide both sides by 3 and x equals 5. Super clean. Quick warning, make sure you subtract or add on both sides or the scale tips and you get the wrong answer. Pattern 2, parentheses being multiplied. Now look at 3 open parenthesis x minus 6. Close parenthesis equals 21. When you see parentheses with a number outside multiplying, you actually have 2 good options for the first step. Option A, distribute first. 3 times x is 3x, 3 times minus 6 is minus 18, so 3x minus 18 equals 21. Now it's like pattern 1, add 18 to both sides, 3x equals 39, and divide by 3, x equals 13. Option B, divide first. Since 3 is multiplying the whole parentheses, you can divide both sides by 3 right away. That gives x minus 6 equals 7, then add 6 to both sides, and x equals 13. Same answer. Both ways work. Choose whichever feels easier for you. Watch out for this common mistake. When you distribute, multiply every term inside the parentheses, including the sign. Pattern 3, whole expression divided by a number. Take open parenthesis, x plus 6, close parenthesis, divided by 3 equals 4. Here, the entire left side is being divided, so we undo the division first by multiplying both sides by 3. That gives us x plus 6 equals 12. Then subtract 6, x equals 6. Remember, multiply on both sides, not just the left. So here's the big takeaway. Don't guess the first step. Look at the equation first, spot the pattern, and choose the right starting move. Sometimes with parentheses, you'll even have 2 good choices. That's it. No matter which type you see, you now know exactly where to begin and check your answers by plugging x back in. You've got this. 2-step equations are about to feel way easier. Drop a comment with which pattern was new for you or which option you liked better in pattern 2, and I'll see you in the next video.